Hello friend, this is another video from Michael Piano Room. This video gonna basically review, it's a supplement video for teaching you about how to learn your note, because from the previous one that I had on the channel right now, on the YouTube channel, it's long and it's many people are struggling. Okay. All right, so let's get to it so then this video can stay as short as possible. All right, as you can see on screen right now, you see there are 5 lines, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to label it with the red pen right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? So basically together 5 lines, they create a staff. Okay? And then, of course, if there's 5 lines, there's spaces between them. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. Okay? All right. So I'm going to start in this video. I'm going to do the treble clef first. So in music, in the modern music that we have today, there are 3 clefs that we are using. Okay? And so basically, piano use 2 of them. The treble clef on the far right and the bass clef on the far left. And there's another clef in the middle, which is the alto clef, which is not commonly used. So because this is video intended for the piano, so I'm not going to talk about the alto clef. So anyway, this is for the treble clef. So treble clef is look like this. You start out on the second line, okay? And you circle, you go up to the top, and you come back down. Okay? So that's how it's written. And because a lot of people don't aware that they start here or they end there. Whether you go from here, from the tail, go up and still end there, or start right here, same thing. So the purpose is the second line right here, 1, 2. This is a very important line, okay? So I'm going to mark with a star here. And this line right here is called G4, okay? And basically the treble clef, I'm going to write it here. This is a treble clef. Basically a treble clef is, you can see, it's a G clef, okay? So basically that treble clef is more a common name, and G is more technical. All right, and so because this right here, the second line is G4, okay? Because this line right here is G4, so all the notes have to go up and go down accordingly. And as you already know, in music we have 7 notes, right? So in music we have 7 notes. Let me see if you can see here. There are 7 notes, okay? And they start with C, D, E, F, G, A, B. And then it will circle back to C again, and on, okay? So basically, this second line right here is G4. So when you go up, of course, that's an A. And you go up again, it's B. And you go up again into the space, that's C, D, E, F, G, on, okay? And if you go down, of course you're going down this way, okay? So if you go down, it becomes F. Go down again, it's E. Go down again, it's D. If you go out again, it's C, on, okay? So basically, the staff telling you that if you go up, that's a higher pitch, okay? And if you go down, that's a lower pitch, okay? All right, so let's get to on how you can remember this. So when you learn how to read note, it's not that you memorize the note that will be adequate. No, it's not the note itself that it's not a circle or the note itself determine the name of it, but rather the clef, okay? So for treble clef, this is what you need to remember for me. On line 1, you just have to memorize any note, whether it's a white note or a black note or a darker note, okay? Whether it's a white note or a darker note. If they lay on this line, they're always going to be E4, okay? And if they lay on this line, like I said, this is G4 over here. They're going to be always G4. So memorize the line. It probably will help you more, okay? And then, but you have, in order for you to understand this, you need to think about the clef. Before you read anything, determine whether that circle, that note, has a certain name, you have to read the clef. If you don't read the clef, you're just going to get the wrong note, okay? So, and you go to the third line, that's a B4. And you go to the fourth line, that's a D5. And if you go here, that's an F5, okay? Now, if for a space, there's 4 space here. So because of this is G and this is E, of course in the middle is F, okay? And because line 2 is G, line 3 is B, in the middle, of course, that's A, okay? And of course, between line B and D, of course, that's C, okay? And between D and F, that's E, okay? So, and then many textbooks and many teachers also teach you how to memorize acronym. Like for example, for the space, they say space, okay? Or for the line note, they create an acronym like every good boy does fine or something like that. Honestly, I don't recommend it, all right? Because acronym only work for when you learn complicated step, like in science, biology or chemistry, thing that you cannot possibly remember well because there's so many items for you to remember. Then acronym would work great, okay, for the exam only, okay? Now for music, come on, there's only 5 lines and 4 space. Of course, there's more above that, but once you understand this, you can figure out the rest, okay? So what I'm saying is that memorize head on, okay? Don't create acronym for it. You'll be sorry for it that you did. The reason is that music is a language, okay? When you learn a new language, you don't translate it. Because you can't, for example, if you learn Chinese, you are Chinese or you are Spanish and you try to learn English, and if you learn through translation, it's a pain. Because there's no way you can translate word by word that would make a whole sentence make sense, okay? So music is the same thing. If music is fast. When you read music, you have to be able to recognize a note quickly and be able to play. You cannot just refer back to an acronym every single time you see a note, okay? So while this is specifically for children, because their brain is still fresh and very powerful, it's growing. So it's better for them to improve their memory power by just memorize it head on. First line of the treble clef is E4, second line G4, third line B4, fourth line D5, fifth line is F5, okay? And first space is F4, second space A4, third space C5, and fourth space E5. So anytime a note or a circle, a note, whether it's white note or darker note, if it drop in the space like this is automatically A4, and this is automatically E5. That's it. And if it's on the line, that's B4. And if it lands on this line, that's E4. Okay? So this is how I would recommend you learning them. Okay? By drawing a 5 line and then draw a treble clef, like I just showed you here. Start on the second line and then go in the circle and go go up and come down straight. Okay? So by learning the note with the clef, that would help you. Okay? So hopefully this short video would supplement your learning in your way of learning how to read notes and how to memorize them. Okay? All right, that's all for now, and I will try to produce the next video for the bass clef. All right? All right, good luck, guys, and let me see if anything else I need to remind you. Well, space line, and that's it. And after that, for example, if you have another note in the space down here, of course, that's below E, have to be D, right? Okay, so right here, and then right here above this into another space, of course, that's after F, and they have to be G. Okay, so that just makes sense. So think about it for me. Okay, and if you draw another line here, of course, that's D4, so the next line is C4 going down. Okay, so and up here, and if you draw another line here, okay, so above line, that's called A5. As simple as that. Just follow the order. Start with C, D, F, G, A, B, and then circle back to C. All right, that's all for now. Good luck to you guys, and best wishes now and in your learning, and God bless. Bye-bye.